Well, this is depressing the brake down. I think sometimes you can hear it too. There you go. You hear that? I don't know what that is. Is it? There you go. You hear that? I'm just pressing it down, and I would hear it click. Doesn't happen all the time, but there. So I'm not sure what that is. Hopefully you can diagnose it. Yeah, let me know.